say Fulefu. No, made video 2 days ago or 3 days ago. Another video seen on the angels on a live video. Na Zuzuari. Ne push. On here. Then people told me no. My town. Naga ba no monoha. Naga ba no monoha. In fact, he haga ba no monoha. You know, he was so proud of it. He was so proud of it. Umunoha this, umunoha that. Nonso kwa jikwe anagande madala ha. Nonso kwa jikwe meke. Aga abo umunoha. Umunoha di ready. Aga abato umunoha. This and that and this. Obi meshala. This guy should do his informant in peace. He is not the only informant I mean. He is not the only informant in DSS. Nkoja the only informant in police. Since he had decided to play informant, in peace now. The issue. Nobody is struggling informant with him. Awu police. Awu army. Efulefua. Awu DSS. But agaba. As if he's a military man or he's a police officer or is this, exposing even when the police mandami chorime anum pabe epuputia na social media. Leno yunu jibere informant. Leno ewu anum pama. Obo utobo eberima unu jibere informant. Plan unu now with inde dunyerigi na ndegi na hana aru na awo kunu set ya up Nonso Nkwa. Unu emege here before that. Unu try go the second one or that. Plan unu now kunu chonu otu unu sharu arukobu Nonso Nkwa. Na Nonso Nkwa wo onye umuoma, ma na Nonso Nkwa na umuoma na aruko. All your plan now, but all your adakwa otu unu si adambo. You people tried it the first one, you failed. You tried it the second one, you failed. You will also fail the third one. Utobo, efulefu, ewu, anohia, eshem idiot. Onyi here, na heme. Abumanu nye obodie, abumanu nye jinu liyo hewo. Anompama. Use opo. A non-entity, then when homa. Empty vessel. Ichoro kamuna get back one word. No problem now. Nkebo wi icho ya nyajuo yi icho kwenye ngoko. That is me. But I want to tell you that unu nde na planu to rukobu Nonso Nkwa with umuoma, with unknown gunmen. You will fail. You have been failing, no? You have been trying it since 2021 or work. You did it 2022, you know work. 2023, you know work. 2024, you know work. 2025, you know work. You have come again 2026. You will fail. Ewu. HMG. Since Ijele Nonso Nkwa a content creator. Iji umunoha my community. A content creator. Of course, here Ijele evidence again. When a military man who post through me, he post through. That Nonso Nkwa de meru ndi imacha de ndi wu commander umuoma imacha ha. Imacha ulo ha. Manacha no when we have a parole Nonso Nkwa MC. Mana no when we have mere bad day Nonso Nkwa jemere ha MC. Imacha no when they are mere child dedication Nonso Nkwa jeme MC. So you were even there and you didn't take picture. You didn't take video of Nonso Nkwa. Ngome gerendu umuoma MC. Ekwa. No more, which means you were woo now. You were woo. Nga pigamu. Efulefu. Ime on kiwe. Anwa here to one ime. Gonna one to ibe. Ewu. Useless man at 50. You went holo. At 50. You went hoodie. You went wine. Ewu. At 50. Onwe big up your own. At 50, there is nothing. Onwe he went at 50. You know, Zuzu. Nonso Nkwa ki ije me content creation. Abi? Ije me content creator. Ije me ahashige ya content creator. Oko ga agbag. Utobo. Efulefu. Useless entity. Chineke gbaa oko. Ali Igbo kugbuo ogu dia. Agbara kpuo ogu ishi dia. Ina ezuzu. I am waiting for you and then they're gonna have plan ga hunu plan ga. I am waiting for you people o. And me check uno to yanu na plan. Unu rukobu Nonso Nkwa with umuoma. Etebunu now. Etebunu. Diani lunu na many Imo State ya won and then edu hegu no. At the end of the day, there will be no evidence. I am waiting for you people. Akwisi Nonso Nkwa na mere ndu umuoma MC. Na mne mere ha MC na wedding. Mne mere ha MC na housewarming. Never have MC in a child education. Never have MC in a traditional wedding. We are waiting for the video of the MC and the pictures of the MC because MC gets a photo. I guess a photo. So you must have taken pictures. I am nature. Ozu. In a way, useless. Lotiri. You don't have HIV. See how you look. Lotu you automatic question read. In a zuzu useless idiot at 50. You won't hate ne zuzu are in an informant to give me a PC now. Happen in a mebon. Didn't informant Adama having. So if somebody is an informant, you will not know. But you are see how you are exposing him again army, him again the police. Oh, because he went who says empty brain, illiterate naga school, ewu achoroso na Turkey. Unyosh, idiot, anompama, ewu otobo, efulefu, eperima. I am waiting for you. Ichoi, anyajuoi, ichoko, enyem goko, chileke wagoko dia. Ezuzu buonwe gonye zuzu. Ozu. Rubbish.
Right now we are to Umuno. I don't want to show the background because I don't want these people to know the exact place we are to Umuno. But when you look at the background, you will see this is Umuno. They have so many palm trees, just like every other place in Imo State. First, I want to respond to the Nonso Nkwa. I heard he was saying on radio that anything that happens in Umuno, they should hold me responsible. Yes, hold me responsible for everything I will do in Umuno. Because this has gotten too much, and since he wants to discuss Umuno, we will start the discussion with that land matter he's denying, that they want to steal the land. Like I told you people, we are going to be on that land, measure it, and you will confirm from the people that actually they wanted to steal that land, if not because of our intervention. And he's saying anything that happens in Umuno. How about the ones that happened already? The ones we are coming here to expose. That is your Hakam. I'm happy we have so many geologists in Aniba and so many geologists in Nigeria. When we start excavating those graves, those shallow and deep graves, they dug and were putting people in there. Let the geologists tell us how long the soil that we are going to bring out, where the last time those soil came in contact with oxygen, then we know the people that have been there all that while. So my people, we are not going to be afraid of them. No amount of propaganda, no amount of ebenebe would stop us from investigating all the atrocities. We are here to stay. Nonso Nkwa, in Imo State, we are in Imo State. Choose the radio station, choose time, location, I don't care. We will come and discuss it. Let's just say this thing to the hearing of Ndimo. It's not about staying in one corner and making problems. And as for you, you will come and explain where I was an IPOB member and the IPOB money you said I embezzled. Other than that, you are going to see me in a different way. I heard that your mother has left Umuno. Your mother, if she didn't commit any atrocity, I heard they call her Mama Biafra. If she didn't commit any atrocity, I don't know why she's running away from the hand of justice. And some of all those your ESM members, I heard that they're taking their families away. You people have not started running. Then secondly, I want to address the Umuahia issue. If you actually believe that Fulani herdsmen will come to Umuahia and do that thing, you are so stupid. Go and check all the videos they'll be making. Remember when Gentle told people that when they go there to buy people, they should speak Hausa for them, and one person will interpret it in English to make it look like Fulani attack. Where will they come from and where will they escape from? Other people, the last time they said they saw explosives near a church, and we are leaving you people as you do this your RNG, just the way there. As you do this your RNG nonsense you are doing in the name of trying to frame the Fulani people. It will not work. No amount. All these things we've gone past them. You think we have goldfish mentality, to goldfish brain. We have a much longer attention span. So you can use this Biafra and your propaganda against people. You see that Umuahia, we are going to come there and do the investigation. We have come in Imo State, we have come in Imo State. After Imo, Abia will be next. I don't care if your governor is romancing you people, he has no power to stop us from coming to run our investigation. We'll be running on the site investigations. As you can see, Umuahia is a bit calmer now. They are not going to ask them, let their boys show us where they are in this Umuahia, and they go here and they go collect them. You understand? I've been repassing them. Many of them don't even know me because they are not on social media. They don't even get this right information. So my people, this is the update I want to give to you people. We will keep probing, we will keep moving in, and we will cover every inch of Imo State. First off, I want to thank the Imo State Governor, Senator Hope Uzodimma, for a job well done, for not listening to all these criminals, for not giving in to their blackmail. I know so many people will be making calls for the withdrawal of Ijele and his people from Imo State. It will not happen. It will not work. And also we thank the brigade commander of Obrinze, 34 Artillery. We also thank the DSS director, Imo State. We can see he's changing. He's doing kind of what we've been waiting for. Thank you, sir, for your cooperation and for everything you are doing. Tiger Base, we salute you people. We thank you for your wonderful work. Please keep going after all these criminals. This has to stop. One way or another, we need to put a stop to this. And for you hopeless politicians that are using these guys, like I told you, when I go collect. You dey hear me? Or now we turn our family go collect. This one no be when I go send them, they go burn people. We go burn on our own. No be all this one nonsense. We go do them on video and we give reason for doing it. We are not going to be behaving like this IPOB that will be coming at night. No, we will record every single thing. Everything will be on record, and whatever we do to you, we explain to you how. That is, if you be alive to debate that issue with us. As for the good people, you have nothing to fear. All the good people in Umunoha, go about your businesses. As for all those evil people know my message for you people, and we are going to collect it. Thank you, my people. Today is February 17th. It's 17, right? Yeah. Today is February 17th. Tuesday, February 17th, 2026. We are going to be giving you updates every now and then. Thank you, my people, and stay blessed.